Welcome back to our YouTube channel. The world in 2050 is likely to be radically transformed by technological advancements, driven by breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, biotechnology, renewable energy, and space exploration. These technologies will not only reshape industries and economies but also impact how humans live, work, and interact with the world. Here's a detailed exploration of what life could look like by the middle of the 21st century, based on current trends and predictions. 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. By 2050, artificial intelligence, AI, will be deeply integrated into nearly every aspect of life. AI systems, far more advanced than today's, will be capable of understanding, learning, and predicting human behavior at unprecedented levels. These systems will power a range of industries, from healthcare to transportation, and will manage complex tasks autonomously. Personalized AI assistants in everyday life. Highly sophisticated AI assistants will help manage daily routines. These assistants will interact seamlessly with humans, anticipating needs, providing tailored recommendations, and even managing complex tasks like scheduling, financial planning, and personal health. Unlike today's digital assistants, they will engage in natural conversations and develop a nuanced understanding of human emotions and preferences. AI in healthcare. Healthcare will be revolutionized by AI in diagnosis, treatment, and personalized medicine. AI will analyze vast amounts of data from patients to identify early signs of disease and recommend preventative measures. Personalized treatments based on genetic profiles will be common, significantly reducing mortality rates from chronic illnesses like cancer or heart disease. AI-driven robotic surgeons will perform complex procedures with precision, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. Autonomous decision-making in business. AI will make complex decisions that require processing vast datasets in real time. From optimizing supply chains to managing global financial systems, AI will replace many decision-making roles traditionally held by humans. This will lead to more efficient operations but also raise questions about accountability, ethics, and employment. 2. Transportation and mobility. The way humans move will be transformed by innovations in autonomous vehicles, hyperloop systems, and electric aviation. These advancements will make transportation faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Autonomous vehicles. By 2050, fully autonomous vehicles will dominate roadways, dramatically reducing accidents caused by human error. These vehicles will be electric and powered by renewable energy sources, contributing to a significant reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Personal ownership of vehicles may decrease, as autonomous ride-sharing services become more efficient and convenient than owning a car. Cities will be redesigned to accommodate autonomous traffic systems, with smart roads communicating with vehicles to optimize traffic flow. Flying cars and drones. Flying cars, long a vision of science fiction, may become a reality in some urban environments by 2050. Vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, vehicles powered by electricity will transport people across cities, bypassing ground traffic altogether. Drones will be an integral part of this aerial transportation network, used for both deliveries and personal transportation. Large-scale drone infrastructure will also be essential in industries like agriculture and logistics. Hyperloop and supersonic travel. For longer distances, Hyperloop systems will transport passengers at speeds exceeding 700 miles per hour through vacuum-sealed tubes, drastically reducing travel times between cities. Supersonic passenger jets, once considered too noisy and expensive, will make a comeback using quieter, more efficient engines, enabling global travel in just a few hours. Space tourism companies like SpaceX will offer regular suborbital flights, providing an entirely new frontier for human travel. 3. Energy and sustainability. The global energy landscape will undergo a dramatic transformation by 2050, with renewable energy sources dominating the market. Innovations in energy storage, nuclear fusion, and grid technology will enable a cleaner and more resilient energy infrastructure. Renewable energy. Solar and wind power will be the primary sources of electricity, with advancements in energy storage technologies allowing for continuous power even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. Solar panels will be highly efficient, with the capability to capture and store energy far beyond today's standards. Urban buildings will integrate solar materials into their design, converting sunlight into energy directly through their windows and walls. Nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion, the holy grail of energy production, is likely to be operational by 2050. Fusion power plants will generate massive amounts of energy without producing long-lived radioactive waste, offering a nearly limitless source of clean power. This breakthrough will revolutionize global energy markets and reduce the world's dependence on fossil fuels. Carbon capture and geoengineering. To mitigate climate change, carbon capture technologies will be widely implemented, extracting carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it underground or repurposing it into building materials and fuels. Geoengineering efforts, such as deploying aerosols in the atmosphere to reflect sunlight, may also be employed to cool the planet and reverse some of the more severe effects of climate change. 4. Human augmentation and biotechnology. Advances in biotechnology will allow humans to enhance their physical and cognitive abilities, blurring the lines between biology and technology. Genetic engineering, prosthetics, and brain-computer interfaces will push human capabilities to new limits. Genetic engineering and CRISPR and other gene editing technologies will enable humans to modify their DNA to prevent genetic disorders, enhance physical traits, and even slow down aging. Genetic engineering will revolutionize medicine, with tailored therapies that target diseases at the genetic level. The ethical implications of designer babies will be a significant societal debate, as some individuals opt for enhancements in intelligence, strength, or appearance. Cybernetic enhancements. By 2050, cybernetic implants will be widespread, allowing humans to interface directly with technology. Prosthetic limbs will be so advanced that they will surpass natural limbs in strength and dexterity. Neural implants will allow humans to control devices with their thoughts, enhancing cognitive functions like memory, concentration, and multitasking. Longevity and aging. Biotechnology will extend human lifespan significantly by 2050, with advances in regenerative medicine, anti-aging treatments, and personalized healthcare. Cellular therapies will repair damaged tissues, and advances in stem cell research will allow organs to be regrown, eliminating the need for transplants. This extended lifespan will raise new ethical and societal questions about resource allocation and the structure of work and retirement. 5. Space exploration and colonization. Space exploration will accelerate dramatically by 2050, with permanent human settlements established on the Moon and Mars. Space will become an extension of human civilization, driven by both governmental agencies and private enterprises. Moon and Mars colonization. The Moon will host permanent research bases, serving as a hub for space exploration and resource extraction. By 2050, humans may have established the first colonies on Mars, with efforts to terraform the planet underway. These colonies will rely on advanced life support systems, renewable energy sources, and autonomous robots for construction and maintenance. Private companies like SpaceX will lead the charge, making space travel more accessible to civilians. Asteroid mining. Asteroids will be mined for rare minerals and metals, providing a new source of resources for Earth's industries. Automated mining operations will extract valuable materials like platinum and gold from asteroids, reducing the need for environmentally harmful mining practices on Earth. Space tourism. Space tourism will be a booming industry by 2050, with regular flights to low Earth orbit and beyond. Space hotels will offer tourists the opportunity to experience zero gravity and stunning views of Earth from space. As space travel becomes more routine, humanity will begin to see space as an extension of its domain, rather than a distant frontier. 6. Smart cities and urbanization. By 2050, cities will be fully integrated with technology, creating efficient, sustainable, and intelligent urban environments. These smart cities will leverage AI, IoT, Internet of Things, and data analytics to optimize everything from traffic management to energy use. IoT-connected infrastructure. Cities will be embedded with billions of IoT sensors, collecting real-time data on everything from air quality to traffic flow. AI will analyze this data to optimize urban planning, reduce waste, and improve public services. Autonomous drones will monitor infrastructure, repairing roads and buildings before significant issues arise. Vertical farms and food production. To meet the demands of growing populations, cities will integrate vertical farming systems that produce food locally and sustainably. These farms will be powered by renewable energy, use minimal water, and eliminate the need for long-distance transportation of food. Genetically modified crops will be designed to grow faster, withstand extreme weather conditions, and require fewer resources. Sustainable architecture. Buildings will be designed with sustainability in mind, using advanced materials that are both energy efficient and durable. Smart buildings will regulate temperature, lighting, and energy usage automatically based on occupancy and weather conditions. Green spaces will be integrated into urban design, improving air quality and providing residents with access to nature. 7. Education and work. The nature of work and education will undergo profound changes by 2050, driven by automation, AI, and new ways of learning. Lifelong learning and AI tutors. Traditional education systems will be replaced by lifelong learning models, where individuals continuously update their skills to adapt to a rapidly changing job market. AI tutors will provide personalized learning experiences, adapting to each individual's pace and style of learning. Virtual and augmented reality will offer immersive educational experiences, enabling students to learn in simulated environments. Automation and job transformation. Many jobs in manufacturing, logistics, and even white-collar sectors will be automated by 2050. Humans will focus on roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving, areas where machines still lag behind. The workweek may shrink as productivity increases, giving people more time for leisure and personal pursuits. Conclusion. The world in 2050 will be a place where technology and human life are intertwined in unprecedented ways. AI, automation, biotechnology, renewable energy, and space exploration will redefine